Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop photos uploading to iCloud. So first of all, go to the settings of your iPhone, or if you are on iPad, then also you need to go to settings, then click on your name at the top. Okay, now scroll down and you can see the iCloud option, iCloud 5 GB. You need to tap on this one. Now you can see the third option, save to iCloud, see all. Okay, you need to click here. You can see all the options. Okay, now at the top you can see iCloud photos, which is turned off right now. So if it is click on it, now you can see at the top sync this iPhone. So if it is turned on for you, you need to simply turn this off. Okay, so because you are syncing this iPhone to the iCloud, that's why it is uploading photos from your iPhone to the iCloud. Okay, so simply turn this off and you don't need to do any other thing. So this is how easily you can stop photos from going your iPhone to iCloud. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.